In previous class, we know that bit is the smallest unit in a computer memory. 0 represent absence of signal, then 1 represent presence of signal. 0 and 1, that is called bit. Both are called 0 and 1, both are called electrical signal in system. When collection of 8 bits, that is called byte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is single unit is called bit. But it is the collection of, when it is collect 8, 0 and 1 form, that is called byte. A bit has a single binary value, either 0 and 1. In most computer systems, there are 8 bits in a byte. The value of bit is usually stored as either above or below level of electrical charge in single capacitor within a memory device. Got it? 0 and 1, also known as single bit. 8 bits, that is called 1 byte. 8 bit, that is called 1 byte. Nibble. Half a byte is called nibble. For example, 1, 0, 0, 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bits equal to 1 nibble. Kilobyte. Kilobyte is approximately 1,000 of bytes. Bytes, that means ki 1 byte equal to 8 bits. But kilobyte, 1 kilobyte equal to 1,000 bytes. Got it? After that, 1 megabyte equal to 1024 kilobyte. 1 gigabyte equal to 1024 megabyte, and 1 terabyte equal to 1024 gigabyte. Gigabyte pronouns gig a byte. It is a measure of computer data storage capacity and roughly a billion bytes. Terabyte. Terabyte is measure of computer storage capacity. After that है 1 petabyte equal to 1024 terabyte. A petabyte is measure of memory or storage capacity. Exabyte equal to 1024 petabyte. 1 zettabyte equal to 1024 exabyte, and 1 yottabyte equal to 1024 zettabyte. Smallest unit in memory unit, that is called bit. Combination of 8 bits is called 1 byte. Combination of 4 bits is called 1 nibble. Combination of 1024 bytes is called kilobyte. Kilobyte is abbreviated by KB. Combination of 1024 kilobyte is 1 megabyte. 1 megabyte is abbreviated by MB. Gigabyte is abbreviated by GB. And terabyte is also abbreviated by TB. Petabyte PB and exabyte EB. Zettabyte ZB, yottabyte YB. When we type in Word any character, alphabet and numbers, special symbols, word, statement, it is converted in memory unit, that is in form of 0 and 1, and after that it is converted in 0 and 1. It perform its operation those given by the user and complete their operation. It is again transfer in high level language or English language, that is understood by user. Got it? Any confusion? Okay. Memory unit is complete. Chapter 5 memory unit is complete here.